Good morning, fifth graders. Happy Friday. Um, Congratulations. We made it. We did this together. I'm so proud of all of you students, your families. I'm proud of myself. I feel really good about our first week of distance learning. I've got my Lincoln Center IB t-shirt on today to show my Packer pride as we normally would on Fridays. So trying to find some of those things that I loved about school and figure out ways that I can bring them into my classroom at home. So Fridays I've been wearing my Packer gear. Mondays I've been trying to throw on a college t-shirt or sweatshirt. Trying to find routine and consistency as we begin this distance learning journey. But I have just been really proud of you all and had an awesome first week. And I just know we're going to continue to get better at this as the weeks roll on. So again, a good reminder, thank you for checking in to the morning message, listening to my videos. I hope you've enjoyed them. They've been really fun to make. As always, make sure to watch and respond to this message. Access your Friday lesson slides. And then today you have media tech. So make sure you're clicking on your name in the upper left corner of Seesaw and then choosing the specialist that you will have today. That's also a good reminder for anyone that sees another teacher throughout the school day. Usually that's where you'll find another teacher who has activities or support for you, especially for that win time. So our sharing question today is, if you could donate a pot of gold to a charity, which one would you pick and why? I think that I would, if I had money or a pot of gold to donate, I would probably donate to either an educational fund for kids who need access to things like school supplies and books. Obviously, that's near and dear to my heart. But I also think I would donate probably to a children's hospital. I know a couple of my sisters are nurses and they work with kids who need lots of medical care and attention in that way. So I think I would donate my pot of gold to a children's hospital. So I'm excited to hear what you would do and think about the good you could do in the world with a pot of gold donation. All right, let's go ahead and read our Friday morning message. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Happy Friday, friends. We made it. You should feel so proud of yourself for completing your first week of distance learning. You are being creative and finding ways to continue your learning journey, even when we are not all in the same space. I appreciate your grit and kindness during our first week. Well done. Today, you will access and complete your Friday learning. It will also be a good day to recheck and make sure you've completed all the learning from the rest of the week as well. Enjoy your well-deserved weekend. Do something to find balance, and we'll see you on Monday. Sincerely, Mrs. Ryan. Friends, again, I want to thank you for your effort this week, your patience, your flexibility. You truly are showing me what it means to be a PYP student and embody all the attitudes that help us be flexible thinkers and open-minded and caring friends. So as I mentioned in the message, go ahead and look back throughout the week and make sure you've done your journal pages, your personal math trainer. You should have been filling out your Google form for Read to Self. There's also a Google form for one of our benchmark literacy reading lessons. And so just make sure that you have gone through the slides and kind of completed all the work that was expected of you. So again, I hope you have a great weekend and we'll see you Monday. Thanks, everyone.